Ouch! A memoir by Aaron French. It was a typical San Diego day, 72 degrees and sunny. My mom picked me up from school, and we were headed to our normal session of horseback riding at Sweetwater Farms. I rode a horse named Napoleon. He was very kind and well-mannered. During the lesson, I was about to get off of Napoleon when he shifted his weight and tightened the reins, and I quickly lost my balance and fell. My mom took one look at my face and knew that something was wrong, and we went right to the hospital. There, we quickly got rushed to a room and then were told to take an x-ray. I thought it would be a normal x-ray like I've had before, but boy was I wrong. It felt as if they were trying to pull my arm right off my body when they were repositioning it in order to get a good photograph of the bone. Later, the doctor came in and said my elbow was broken because I overextended it when I fell, and that I will have to get surgery. At this, I was devastated because I knew I wouldn't be able to partake in some of my favorite summer activities like swimming and going to the beach. Also because I have to have a humongous full-arm cast for 3 months. Later, a nurse came in and gave me an IV. I wasn't sure what it was, but she explained it to me kindly and did it painlessly. The doctor then said that I had to stay overnight in the hospital to prepare me for my surgery. I was expecting a room full of other patients, but when I got to the hospital room, it was actually very nice. It looked like a children's book splashed up on the walls to raise positivity. The whole night was horrible. I tossed and turned in pain, and the only thing I could do to keep my mind off the excruciating pain coming from my elbow was to watch TV, but at some point even that had to be turned off. In the morning, the nurse came in with a teddy bear that she gave me to brighten up my day. Then she told me she was taking me to the sleepy doctor, where they would put me to sleep before my surgery. I thought I would never fall asleep and that the medicine wouldn't work, but it did. I ended up waking up at 2 p.m., which was very surprising to me since I went down for surgery nearly at 6 a.m. I also had a big, full-on purple cast on that felt like sandpaper. Later, they prescribed me pain medication, and after a long, tiring journey, I finally got to go home. At the end, I knew this experience would make me be more courageous and brave after all the things I had to face.